Welcome to Knotty Double Creations. Today we are going to be making a ladder golf game. We have a party this weekend and we're just going to make up a game, or not make up a game, but make up the pieces for the game. So we're going to make 2 ladder racks, and then we're also going to make the golf balls that are tied to the rope for the game. So for this project we're going to need clear PVC cement, 12 90-degree 3/4 inch elbows, 12 3/4 inch tees, 8 foot of 3/8 inch rope, so that's 8 feet of that. You'll need 12 golf balls, 6 of one color, 6 of another color, and I have 4 10-foot long 3/4 inch PVC piping. We are going to cut 10 pieces that are 2 foot long and 20 pieces that are 1 foot long. So I hope you enjoy this video, and I will see you after we get done making it. Kids had a blast with this, and so did the adults. We all had a lot of fun with it. Bottom rung's 1 point, middle rung's 2 points, top one is 3 points. First one to 21 on the dot wins the game. Super easy game. So don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and if you would like to see anything for a future build, leave me a comment down below. And I hope to see you next time. Have a great day.